Harley Roadshow. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're regular, welcome back. We're back down here at GRM Performance. Back on this 2010 Mighty Softail build. Let's go and have a look what's happening today. All right, what are we doing today?
Today we will do the exhaust.
Yep.
We're gonna do the
It's come in, has it?
Yeah.
Oof, okay.
Yeah. We just have to install it, and we're gonna do the intake.
Yep.
Look at that.
Talk about bling.
Yeah.
Look at that. How good does that look? There we go. Have a look at that. Huh? Huh? How cool does that look? That just sets the bike off, doesn't it?
Yeah, I agree.
That is like the main thing that's really going to set the bike off.
Yep. Agree.
That looks all awesome. So there you go, guys. That's a blow exhaust. I think it's a blow exhaust killer kit from memory.
Yeah.
I just reckon that just sets the bike off.
Yeah, it does look good, doesn't it?
It looks fantastic. Really nice.
There you go.
Look at that. Well, that just sets the whole thing off, I reckon.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
That looks special.
Looks good.
Beautiful.
And it's a bit smaller. It's the micro filter, so exposes a bit more out of the motor.
Yeah.
I think it's good.
Now, look, I think, and let us know what you've reckoned in the comments, but I reckon that exhaust and that whole combination just sets the motor off, sets the bike off. It's just it's an absolute talking piece, isn't it, really?
Yeah, it looks good. I like it.
Beautiful. Well, guys, I hope you liked this episode of the Harley Roadshow. We're having fun doing this. If you did, give us a thumbs up and a like. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that'd be handy too. Thanks to Romy and everybody down here at GRM Performance again as usual. And we'll catch you next time on the Harley Roadshow. See you soon.